couple days into being in Phuket, we moved up to Kamala Beach and left our honeymoon resort and ended up here. And we haven't really done much. We're still enjoying kind of our honeymoon in Phuket, but I figure I'll try to put together some type of a video for this area. Our next stop is Chiang Mai, and then Hanoi, Vietnam, and then China. And we'll do a lot more videos across those areas, but yeah. Kamala is a smaller, quieter beach town compared to bustling Patong. As we drove through its narrow streets, we passed colorful shops, open-air markets, and rows of motorbikes parked outside local restaurants. This little town feels more like a traditional Thai village than a major tourist hub, and that's exactly what makes it so charming. So obviously one of the highlights of Kamala Beach is the beach. So another thing to do here in Kamala Beach, Thailand, and I think many of the beaches like Phuket, all the beaches throughout Thailand, is get massages. So in US dollars, like you can get a Thai massage here, right here on the beach. And you're roughly talking like 15, 20 bucks with a tip, US dollars. So
we double checked just to make sure, because we are in a different country, that she's using filtered ice and filtered water, but she is. So we are getting some smoothies. He's got watermelon and mango and all kinds of fruit flavors, and we're right here on the beach.
wow, that's refreshing. Cocoon crab. So just double check with your Translate app.
So good.
If they tell you it's filtered ice and you see them pulling it out like bags, I think you're pretty safe. We just stopped in and checked out the Lam Sing Beach Pavilion overlook in between Kamala and I think
Suran? Bang Tao?
Bang Tao, Suran beaches. So now we're going to this Sony Beach. We just wanted to see a couple of the beaches. We parked here on the curb, that's pretty common. We're walking down here to cut through and check this out. So after exploring all the beaches going north, we actually hit probably 2 or 3 of them. We ended up deciding that Kamala Beach was the nicest for us today because we're getting ready to board that flight to Chiang Mai, and we don't have like towels or anywhere to sit, obviously, like that. And Kamala Beach has all the options. It's got the chairs. You can rent an umbrella and a chair for just a couple dollars. They've got towels, a lot of touristy vendors. So we figured that would be easiest. So we're back here, gonna enjoy a couple hours on the beach and then catch a flight to Chiang Mai. Using our drone, you can really see how beautiful Kamala Beach is. It's framed by lush green hills on either side, giving it a hidden, tucked away feel. We spent most of the day just soaking up the sunshine, swimming, and enjoying the slower pace of life here. I don't know if you guys have ever seen a Thai cowboy, but here in Thailand they do have them. not just Texas. That evening, we wrapped up our time at Kamala Beach and headed to the airport to catch our flight from Phuket to Chiang Mai, our next destination. But before we sign off, we wanted to share a few bonus moments from our time at Phuket that we didn't capture on film. One of the highlights was visiting an elephant preserve, where we had the incredible opportunity to feed these gentle giants bananas up close. We also stopped by Promthep Cape, a stunning viewpoint at the southern tip of the island, where we saw the memorial dedicated to the Prince of Champung, the father of the Thai Navy. These experiences were truly special, and while we didn't film them, we wanted to share these photos with you before the adventure continues in Chiang Mai. Come along.